Hi guys, some of you may have been repairing this little thing called lens because it doesn't read these discs. Not because it's full of scratches, but anyways, you try to take this piece out and now for some reason it makes this noise. Well, you try to screw here a little bit so it will grab, but if you don't screw that much, this will happen. Sec, it won't move at all. So after you screw it a little more, it does, and it does this annoying sound. So, that, okay, as some of you may not have noticed, but I did, oops, come here, there's this funny thing I've encountered. You see that edge right there, it's supposed to be down here, not up. So that's what we are gonna do. It's gonna be a little hard to do this just with one hand. Okay, now screw this and screw this one. Oops. Whoop. Okay, take this out. Now, take this out too. And there you are. Now, very careful. See, this is well how it was. Now we have to put it like this. So, I gotta put this correctly now. And there it is. Now it moves correctly. We gotta screw this again. More. Okay, let's try it. Okay, to cable this on. No. Yep, it works. Remember to not screw that much, but you can handle that. You will know obviously when it starts grabbing here and moving correctly. It's fine. If this is more way up and you didn't notice, it will start making noise between this wheel and here.